Okay, we are back, geometry students, and we have a challenging question. What is the lateral area of the hexagonal pyramid at the right, round to the nearest square foot? Ouch. Ouch. This is quite the problem. A lot of work here. But there's a formula, and it's going to look simple, but it's not as simple as this. Here is our formula. Our beautiful formula that is going to help us solve this is this. The lateral area of a pyramid is equal to 1/2 P times L. Almost like the area of a triangle, 1/2 base times height, 1/2 P times L. Oh, this is so simple. No. Wrong. Okay, so here's the problem. 1/2 is just a number. P, this little P is what we're going to call the perimeter of the base. Okay. That's not the most terrible thing here. Hexagon, right? The base is this hexagon right here. Okay, how many sides are in a hexagon? Well, that's nice. There are 6 sides in a hexagon. Each side, it looks like, is 36 feet. Now, I could do 36 plus 36 plus 36 plus 36 6 times, or I could just do 6 times 36. Okay, 6 times 36. I'd rather do that than 36 6 times. So here we go. So the perimeter, remember, just adding up all the sides of the base, which is a hexagon. So 6 times 6 gives us 216. So this key piece of information, RP, is 216 feet. Not feet squared, because the perimeter, this is not the area. Now, if you remember from the last example, L equals what we call the slant height. Now, it's the height of these triangles. When we say base times height of a triangle, okay, it's this. I'm going to draw this in. Now, you have to think three-dimensionally on this problem. They made this one exceptionally tough for this reason. You see this here? There's the height. That's the actual height of this pyramid. And they give you a little right angle there to show you that. And the distance from the center of that pyramid to the outside wall, they give a value for that. If we were looking, if you remember, for like the area of a regular polygon, that would be an equivalent to an apothem over here. But we're not really looking at it. That doesn't really concern us. That would concern us if we were doing the, the surface area. We're just doing the lateral area here. And remember, these formulas are all in your group practice. I mean, in your guided notes, excuse me, so it's all there. I need to find the height of this pyramid, and watch this. This is where the height of the pyramid is. It's on the outside. So you have to think three-dimensionally here. I don't know if everyone this is comfortable with. Some of you might just be, hopefully not, but working with me here, okay? Alright, well, this thing here, this red one out here, maybe I'll even put a blue line next to it so we really highlight it. Okay? That's the L, but I don't have that. I have that, but I have a right triangle. And what works for right triangles? Good old Pythagorean theorems. There might be another way to do it, I'm not sure, but I'm going to go with the most straightforward answer here. Okay, so 42 squared, that's one side. Remember, C is always the hypotenuse. In this case, our hypotenuse is also our L, or our slant height. Plus B, 18 square root of 3 squared is equal to C squared. So now you look at this thing, and right away, the one thing I will notice about this is you can't really do this part without a calculator. So We have to use some sort of calculator, either Desmos or something to solve this. So let's do 42 squared. It's going to be a huge number. 1764. That, I'm just going to put in the calculator, close my eyes, hit an equal sign. Second, square root of 3. Get that nice. Make sure you don't leave the parentheses underneath the square root. Bring it out here. And we have to square it. Hit enter. Oh, okay, it didn't work out so bad, 972. Now, at least I'm dealing with whole numbers here. Now, the next thing I have to do is add these two up. So, 1764 plus 972. 2736 equals c squared. Now we know, in order to get rid of this square, I need to know c, not c squared. I got to square root both sides. So this will just become c in the end. Or in our case, it will be L, the slant height. So I'm going to move it down here. And I'm just going to find out what 2736 is. Square root of that. Second, square root. 2736. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 52.3. I'm going to keep it at 52.3 for now. And this is, of course, that's just a side, so that's feet. Okay, so now back to this original equation here. LA equals 1/2. Well, I got the P, 216. And now I got the L, 523. And the only thing I can do, again, huge numbers here. Oh, 52.3. Be careful. Be careful. 52.3. Now let's see what we got here. So I'm going to put this all in my calculator one last time. 1 divided by 2 times 216 times 52.3. I know this was a tough one, guys. But our final area. But if you went out to put a tarp on top of this, pyramid, you need a tarp with an area of 5,000. They say round to the nearest square foot, 68.4, which means I round down. 5,648 square feet. Or you can write it feet squared, whatever, however you like to write that. Same thing. Long one, guys. Thank you for sticking with me through this one. This is a tough one. But you did a good job. All right, I will talk to you later.